Join me as I dive into the world of Pinterest marketing and try to uncover the top secrets you absolutely need to know for success in 2024. When it comes to marketing in the digital landscape of 2024, Pinterest is an often overlooked but incredibly powerful platform that can help you tap into a massive audience of engaged users. With over 450 million active users, Pinterest offers a unique opportunity to reach customers who are actively searching for products and services like yours. Pinterest is a visual discovery and planning website that allows users to save and share images and videos into virtual collections called boards. It's a platform where users go to plan, research, and discover new things, making it the perfect platform for businesses to showcase their products and services. In recent years, Pinterest has emerged as a key player in the world of digital marketing, offering businesses a unique way to connect with their target audience and drive sales. As we dive deeper into the world of Pinterest marketing, it's essential to recognize the challenges that many marketers face on this platform. One of the biggest challenges is competition. With millions of businesses vying for attention, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. Another challenge is content visibility. With Pinterest's algorithm changing constantly, it can be difficult to get your content seen by the right people. Many marketers struggle to create content that resonates with their audience, leading to low engagement rates and poor ROI. Additionally, Pinterest's unique features and functionality can be overwhelming for new marketers, making it difficult to know where to start or how to optimize their content for maximum visibility and engagement. Many marketers also struggle to measure the success of their Pinterest campaigns, making it difficult to determine whether their efforts are paying off or not. When it comes to Pinterest marketing, having an effective strategy is crucial for success. One of the most important things you can do is optimize your pins for maximum visibility and engagement. This means using high-quality images, descriptive keywords, and attention-grabbing headlines to make your content stand out. Another key strategy is to use SEO to your advantage. By incorporating relevant keywords into your pin descriptions and board titles, you can increase the visibility of your content and attract more visitors to your website. It's also essential to leverage trends and seasons to create content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. By creating seasonal boards and pins, you can tap into the buying habits of your target audience and increase sales. Finally, using Pinterest's built-in features such as shopping ads and carousels can help you increase conversions and drive sales. By incorporating these features into your strategy, you can take your Pinterest marketing to the next level. One game-changing tip that can significantly enhance your Pinterest strategy is to focus on creating high-quality, evergreen content that continues to drive engagement and sales over time. By investing in high-quality visuals and descriptive keywords, you can create content that continues to perform well long after it's been published. To take this strategy to the next level, try repurposing your evergreen content into other formats such as blog posts, social media posts, and email newsletters. This can help you reach a wider audience and drive more sales over time. Another way to enhance your Pinterest strategy is to create a content calendar that outlines your content strategy for the month. This can help you stay organized, ensure consistency, and drive more engagement and sales over time. By focusing on creating high-quality evergreen content and repurposing it into other formats, you can create a Pinterest marketing strategy that drives real results and helps you achieve your business goals. In summary, Pinterest marketing is an incredibly powerful way to reach and engage with your target audience and drive sales. By recognizing the challenges that many marketers face on this platform and implementing effective strategies such as optimizing pins, using SEO, and leveraging trends, you can take your Pinterest marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own Pinterest marketing experiences in the comments below. If you want to learn more Pinterest marketing tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and advice.